Hi friends, this is Angela Bauer, and today's guided math topic that we're talking about is helping students who are below grade level. You're going to be watching a series of videos that one of my presenters, Ashley Perry, did in a school setting. Grade level teachers are watching. This is first grade, and she's going to be working with a group that is below grade level. Just wanted you to know that this is what we're covering today. I know you'll be excited about it. Don't forget to email me if you have questions. That's Angela at guidedmath.expert. EXPERT expert. Thanks.
So, Ashley Perry, what are you doing today?
Today, I'm working with a group of students, and we're working on how to use hands-on manipulatives in our small groups, how to take away our examples or our standards from our curriculum and then turn that into a hands-on group lesson.
Great job. This is the first grade guided math lesson plan format that Ashley is using for this lesson. And she's starting out with the same basic lesson for all three groups. Can you explain that to me, Ashley?
Yes, when I decide to plan my lessons, I have them start off with the same basic concept, and then within my lesson, I differentiate them for approaching grade level questions, and beyond grade level. And I like to highlight them so then I can tell the difference when I'm working with each group.
Awesome. I also noticed that you follow the I model, we practice,
You apply.
you apply. Talk to me about that.
When I'm teaching a lesson, I do the I model first because I'm working with students and I want to model the lesson to them. I don't want them playing with manipulatives or thinking about something else. Then we transition to the we practice part where we're practicing the same problem together so I can intervene if needed. Some students then are ready to start the you apply, where I give them a problem and I don't give a lot of instruction and I want to see what can they apply on their own.
I also noticed that when you go from I model it to you practice, they become active learners right away. Is that one way that you shorten your large group mini lesson?
Yes. When students use hands-on manipulatives to work on math skills, they learn how math is working instead of looking at a worksheet and trying to understand that 2 plus 3 is 2 objects plus 3 more objects instead of memorizing a number sentence right away.
So that's one way with guided math. We help them become active learners right away. Thanks, Ashley.
Welcome. A 10 frame means when it's full, that's a group of 10. Wiggle your 10 fingers. 10. Very good. Let's build a math picture. My brother, Jack, he ate 4 marshmallows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 marshmallows. He then ate 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want to now look at my math picture and decide how many marshmallows he ate. When I look at this, it's a 10 frame and it's full. What does that mean? A group of 10. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13 elephants? No. 13 what? Marshmallows. My brother Jack, he ate 13 marshmallows. Would you like to try one with me? Did I try eating these?
No.
Did I try breaking them?
No.
No. Did I throw them at someone?
No.
If we do that, we have to put them away. Okay? Let's great. What's another thing that addition might mean? What do you think, darling?
Subtracting.
It could be subtracting. We don't know. What do you think? Adding. Did you know addition means putting our groups together? Can you do that with me? Putting our groups together. Okay, let's add. I want you to to listen to the first story and then I'll read it again. Bob and Alice found several cats in their backyard. Bob found 12 yellow cats. Alice found 8 white cats. How many cats did they find in their backyard? Let's build a math picture. Bob and Alice found several cats in their backyard. Bob found 12 yellow cats. Can you build 12 yellow cats on your board? Show me 12 yellow. Counting, can we make them all yellow? Make sure you have 12 yellow. When your math picture matches mine, put your hands on your head.
I saw an X right here.
Alice found 8 white cats. Can we use the red ones to show 8 more?
Hey, that's mine.
That was okay. When you have found your sum or your answer to your addition sentence, put your hands on your head. When you know your sum or your answer to your addition sentence, put your hands on your head. Okay, keep that answer inside or that sum. I want you to share with your partner what your sum is. Wait. And tell them how you found your sum or your answer. I'm going to have you guys be partners. You're going to be partners and can I... That's okay. Did you use your sounds? It's the best thing you can do. I want you both. Ready? I want you both to take turns and read what you wrote to your partner. Can you both be partners? Take turns and read what you wrote.
I wrote backwards.
That's okay. Would you like a marker to fix it? When you're done, I want you to take turns and share. I'm going to listen to you. Okay? Did you guys both read it to each other?
Here you go. I added 10 plus 9 equals.
Oh, I like how you explain your thinking. I like that you also added another
I
sentence.
added 10 plus 9 equals 9.
You guys did a great job explaining your thinking today. Can you erase? You might have to share an eraser. And then confidence issue.
She's
And
very,
so-
very, very shy.
And I can tell. And she would benefit from being in a lower group because she's not always last to be done, she'll be first to be done.
Yep.
And it builds that confidence up and then she'll start participating and then you can transition her to the more advanced grade. But it's still early in the year. We understand you're still learning your kids, but that would be something that I would switch out if this was my group of students.
Grade level groups and green is beyond grade level. There's only 3 different lessons here. You can notice the numbers vary because of the math background and knowledge those students have. Usually you're going to have 2 groups that are at the grade level group. Couple of times I've had 2 groups that are beyond grade level, but just kind of to let you know how to understand that. Ashley typed up the questions and she highlighted this one that she was going to use during the lesson. When you do this, it kind of helps you because, you know, when you're in the middle of a lesson, you're trying to analyze and teach the small group that's at your table. You're also working with those kids that are back at their seats or at engaged math activities. So it just helps you to remember what's important. Here's the we practice. And again, it's at the 3 different levels. And then at the bottom of this lesson, guided math lesson plan, here's the skills review that Ashley was going to do. We did not go over that or show that. It's just something that she either downloaded from Pinterest or maybe it was already in the math curriculum, but she knew that's the one that she wanted to use to solidify skills that they've already learned. At this school, they use IXL for number sense and math fluency. So right there's your technology and the one station you're going to be using. Engaged math activities, she had one that she was going to use there. And here's a note. Bring the U apply. This is a very difficult and new concept for first graders, so you might want to continue practicing in small groups over the next week. Hope this helps you understand our guided math lesson plan template. Don't forget to like and subscribe.